Okay, here question number 5. So when e power y is plotted against 2x square, a straight line graph with gradient -3 is obtained. The line passes through the point 4.30, 5.485. Find y in terms of x. Okay, so first we'll write e power y is plotted against 2e square. The general solution is going to be e power y equal to mx square plus c. Okay, here the gradient is given, which is -3, so I'll apply e power y equal to -3 x square plus c, and the x square is here and the e power y is here. Just substitute, which is 5.85 m equal to -3 into 4.30 square plus c, which is 5.85 equal to -12.90 plus c. So where c equal to 5.85 plus 12.90, which is 18.75. Okay, so the next we'll get the equation is like this, which is e power y equal to -3 x square plus 18.75. Actually, we need to find y, because find y in terms of x, so it's e power y. So I'm taking natural log both side. E power y equal to -3x square plus 18.75. Here the log and e will be cancelled, so we'll get y in left side. So right side still the log will be there, natural log -3x square plus 18.75. That is the final answer for us. We need to find out y in terms of x. Here we got in terms of x. Okay, so the next one, find the values of x for which y exists. As we know, the log of negative number is not possible, it's not defined, so the inside number should be greater than or equal to should be greater than 0. So which is yeah, log of negative. So log of negative is not defined, so inside should be greater than 0. So -3x square plus 18.75 is greater than 0, which is um, okay. So I'll push this 3x square to other side. 18.75 greater than 3x square. So x square is less than 18.75 over 3. So I'll get x square is less than 6.25. So x square less than plus or minus square root of 6.25. So sorry, this square won't be there because I took square root other side. X less than plus or minus is 2.5. So the final answer going to be, so plus or minus, x is between -2.5 less than x less than 2.5. So that is the required solution. The y x is between this range. So this is the solution for us. Okay, find the values of x. We need to find when y is x is, because y is x is, the log should not be negative. So we took as a greater than 0, so final value we got it. Okay, so let's go for next question. It is given that y equal to, there is some function, find dy by dx. So dy by dx is depend to the x, so its numerator and x is there, denominator x is there, so we need to use quotient rule. See, quotient rule. Okay, so quotient rule is u by v whole dash equal equal to, there is u dash b minus b u dash by b square is going to be there. So first I'll do this side. I'll take u a of x is going to be the numerator 1 natural log of 2x square plus 1. So when you do a derivative one time, so it's going to be, as we know, log x equal to 1 by x, the derivation time. Here also log of that is 1 by 2x square plus 1 into, here x is not alone, so x is term is like 2x square. When I derive, you will get 4x. So u dash of x equal to 4x by 2x square plus 1. This is my u dash. Next I'll go for b of x. P of x going to be denominator 1x plus 2. When I derive one time, so here just x term is going to be 1. That's it. Okay, I'll substitute here. Now I'll do dy by dx. dy by dx equal to the u dash v everything. So I'll substitute whatever I done. So u dash is going to be 4x by 2x square plus 1, then into v. V is x plus 2, then minus v into sorry, u into v dash. This is u, so u is going to be yeah, a natural log of n 2x square plus 1 into v dash. V dash going to be 1 over, we'll get v square, so that is x plus 2 whole square. So I'll erase the right side, so I can write here the rest of the solution. Okay, now I'll simplify this part. So numerator going to be 4x into x plus 2. I'll take LCM, the numerator alone, because there is a negative, so this 2x square I need to bring it here. So minus 2x square plus 1 into natural log of 2x square plus 1 over, now I can write 2x square plus 1 into x plus 2 whole square. This is my dy by dx. So final answer, dy by dx equal to, exactly copy the same, 4x into x plus 2 minus 2x square plus 1 natural log of 2x square plus 1 over 2x square plus 1 into x plus 2 whole square. This is my final answer for first part. Okay, so let's go for next one. Given that x increases, the from to x increases, okay, uh, from 2 to 2, where h is small, find the approximate change of dy by dx. So I need to find dy by dx, the change. So x is increasing from 2 to 2 plus h, where h is small. Okay, so change of x equal to, so sorry, change of y equal to dy by dx into height. Okay, so just I need to do dy by dx into height. Okay, so here x equal to 2 is given from 2. Okay, so I'll substitute dy by dx into height equal to, so I'll substitute dy by dx, the dy by dx already we found here, so I'll substitute 2 for the entire thing. Okay, so 4 of 2 into 4 minus 2 of 4 plus 1 into natural log of 2 of 4 plus 1 over what I'll get, 4 square into 9. Okay, so which is equal to 32 minus 9 natural log of 9 over 16 times 9, which is 144 into h. So final answer, this is the final answer. So I'll write in the final one, dy by dx into height equal to, so yeah, find the approximate change of y. So no need to write this. Okay, change of y. So just write change of y equal to 32 minus ln of 9, sorry, natural log of 9 over 144 into h. That is the answer for the second part, part B. Okay, now let's go for the last one. Given that y is increasing y is decreasing by 0.4, that means per second. Per second means depend to the t. So we'll take dy by y is changing but depend to the t. So negative 0.4 because it's decreasing. Okay, find the corresponding rate of change in x when x equal to 2. So we need to find out dx by dt. Change in x we need to find. This is our question. Okay, so let's go. First we have dy by dt. So dy by dt I can write dy by dx into dx by dt. Okay, dy by okay, so from here I need to find out dx by dt. So make a subject of dx by dt. Dx by dt equal to this dy by dx go right side, other side. So it become dy by dt over dy by dx. Okay, so the next I'll write here. Okay, dx by dt equal to dy by dt, which is here already is given, so which is negative 0.4 over dy by dx already be done in the first part. So we can write yeah, the second part, sorry, 32 dy by dx. Okay, 32, yeah, because this is x equal to 2, we found x equal to 2 in the second part. Okay, so 32 minus 9 natural log of 9 over 144. So this one I can write my negative 0.4 times 144 over 32 minus 9 natural log of 9. Okay, that's the final answer for us. Only they asked dx by dt. So change in a, find the corresponding rate of change in x. This is the final answer for us. Okay, let's go for next question. It is given that 2 into e power x plus a for x greater than or equal to 0 and g of x equal to square root of x minus 1 for x greater than or equal to 1. Find the least value of a so that the function g of x exists. Okay, so first they say g of f. So g of f of x. So f in g. So it's going to be yeah, g function, and then we have to put x instead of x f. So we'll get 2 into e power x plus a minus 1. Okay, so here if this function is exist, okay, so this part should be 1 or above. It should not be square root inside negative cannot come this part because negative 1 is there. This part should be above 1, greater than or equal to 1. So we write 2 power e power x plus a, because it's given the function is still a g of x is exist. It happens only this part is above greater than or equal to 1. So I'll take greater than or equal to 1 should be. So here, okay, then uh, yeah, x is greater than or equal to 0. The minimum point is 0. The least value is 0. So I'll put it to e power 0 plus a greater than or equal to 1. So next, 2 into e power 0, n number power 0 is 1 plus a greater than or equal to 1. So 2 plus a greater than or equal to 1. X going to be greater than or equal to 1 minus 2. So x greater than or equal to negative 1. So our question is find the least value. So our answer is a equal to negative 1. That is the least value, whether it's greater, equal or greater. So first number going to be negative 1. They have to find the least value. So we got the least value, which is a equal to negative 1. That is the answer for the first question. Second part, in the case where a equal to 5, solve the equation g of f of x equal to 3. So we write g of f of x equal to square root of 2 into e power x plus a negative 1. So this value is given, which is 3. Also a is given. So square root of 2 into e power x plus a equal to 5 plus 5 minus 1. So it's going to be 3 into square root of 2 into e power x plus 4. I'm removing the square root, so I'm squaring both the sides, which is 3 square equal to 2 into e power x plus 4. So this is 9 equal to 2 into e power x plus 4. I'll bring the 4 here, so which is 9 minus 4 equal to 2 into e power x, which is 5 equal to 2 into e power x. So next, e power x equal to 5 by 2. So e power x equal to 2.5. Now I want to remove this. We need to find out only the value in 3 decimal place. So yeah, solve. So you need to find out x. So the question is you need to find out x. Okay, so I'm taking natural log both the sides. So e power x equal to, which is natural log of 2.5. So here log and e is gone. So x equal to natural log of 2.5. Use calculator and get the value. So we'll get x equal to 0.916. So that is the final answer.